Let's talk about organizing and managing tasks in the table view. If you work in card view, check out our separate video for managing tasks in that layout. When inside an experiment card, you have the option to create, edit, and manage tasks. This was covered in the How to Create a Task and Workflow tutorial video. Keep in mind, the table view, you cannot view or manage workflow connections. Let's see what information you can find associated with the task. Every task has a name. You can check when the due date is under the due date column. If a due date is overdue, it will have a red warning sign. If it's due within 24 hours, the sign will appear yellow. Anything after that, it will not have a warning symbol. If a date hasn't been set yet, you can add one by clicking on the Add Due Date and selecting a date and time. You can also change existing due dates or remove them by clicking here and picking a new date, or by clicking on the X. The status shows how far along we are on a particular task. This is a depiction of the task status flow. A task can be moved between not started, in progress, completed, in review, and done. The last two, in review and done, are only available in the plans that include electronic signatures. You can view how many signatures are on a task and how many still need to be completed under the Signatures column. Under the Assigned column, you can manage who is assigned to the task by clicking on the plus sign. Select who you would like to assign to the task. We can only assign those to the task that have been added to the project. If you are assigned to the task, this is reflected on your personal dashboard under the Dashboards tab. You can view and leave comments on a task by clicking on the plus sign or the number under the Comments column. The number represents how many comments have been left on this task. Don't forget, you can use smart annotations here. The @ symbol to tag people and the hashtag symbol to tag other areas or items in SciNote. You can also color code and categorize tasks by using tags. Please keep in mind that tags are project specific. To add a tag, click on the plus sign under the Tags column. To create a new tag, start by typing a keyword. Choose the color you want to associate it with, and when you're happy with the tag, click on the check mark. If a series of tags are already created, you can select which tags you would like to include. If you have more than one tag associated with the task, click on a tag or the number of tags for all of the tags to appear. The number of results a protocol has will be shown in the Results column. By clicking on the number, it will bring you directly to the Results tab. The Age column shows you how long ago a task was created. Lastly, you can manage the columns by clicking on the columns icon. Here you can choose which columns you want visible and in which order you would like to view them. If you click on the filtered icon, you can filter down which tasks are shown by what text it contains, due dates, who it's assigned to, and more. Click on the column headers to rearrange the order in which the tasks are shown, and you can expand the columns by clicking in between each column. To learn more about SciNote, continue watching our tutorial videos and explore the resources linked below.